In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Keybank debit card. Activating your card is a crucial step to ensure you can use it for various transactions from everyday purchases to online shopping securely and effectively. Let's dive right into the process. Start by opening your preferred web browser and in the search bar, type in Keybank. Hit enter and you should see a list of search results. You're going to want to look for the official site, which is often displayed as Keybank, banking, credit cards, mortgages, and loans. Click on this link to be taken to the Keybank homepage. Once the homepage loads, locate the section labeled Banking. This section is typically found in a primary navigation menu across the top or side of the web page, making it easy to find. Click on Banking, and this will direct you to a page dedicated to various banking services and options provided by Keybank. On this page, you should see an option labeled Activate Your New Card. It may be prominently displayed since it's a common service people look for. Click on this link to begin the activation process. This step is absolutely vital as it officially incorporates your debit card into your personal banking profile, enabling you to manage and monitor your financial activities efficiently. Next, you'll be led to a page asking you to enroll. Click on the Enroll button, which will guide you through the setup necessary to activate your debit card. This is an essential gateway ensuring that your card is linked properly to your existing accounts for seamless transactions. After clicking Enroll, the next step is to click on My Personal Account. By selecting this, you will be affirming your intention to link personal banking details, which usually shades your regular use from paycheck deposits to paying bills. Following that selection, click Next. This step will usually guide you to a page prompting you for various personal and financial information. It's crucial to ensure everything you enter is accurate, as this information links your debit card to your unique bank identity, thereby preventing any unnecessary hitches later on. Now, you should be on a page where you fill in all necessary information. This might include your name, your card details, possibly some personal security questions, and other identifying information pertinent to verifying your ownership of the account and card. Take your time to review the information to ensure it matches what the bank has on file. And there you have it. Your Keybank debit card should now be activated and ready for use. You've successfully completed an important procedure, guaranteeing your card is up and running for any personal financial transaction you might need. If you encounter issues during this process, it would be wise to contact Keybank's customer service for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.